So this is the belt for 2009 Toyota Venza. Part number is here, 90916A2020. Okay, this is the OEM Toyota Lexus belt. Backside label looks like this. Okay, so this is the old one. Visually, it's gonna look okay. He doesn't recall changing this belt, and car has about 175,000-ish miles. So I'm shocked that it's nowadays the belts are lasting this long. So visually it looks okay, but when I measure the thickness of this used one and the new one looked a little bit thicker than this. Also, when you bend this back like this, it may be a little bit hard to see. There are a bunch of hairline cracks all over here. Okay, so the hairline cracks you won't see when the belt is in there like this. When it's stretched, it's hard to see. And so, oh, look here. See, there's a big crack starting right there. And I know I saw more cracks. Also, it may be hard to see on the camera, but the edges here, there's like a groove that's built in here. So the belt is wearing out slightly unevenly.
Owner's not sure what happened, but the security key and the lug nut wrench, they were 21 millimeter, but other lug nuts were 22 millimeter, so we got thrown off a bit.
에이, 저기 부러졌네.
Now use a 10 millimeter wrench to rotate the tensioner pulley's bolt to the clockwise direction. And once the belt tension is relaxed, you can slide the belt off the alternator. At this time, hold on to the wrench really tight so that you don't injure your fingers while trying to remove the belt from the alternator.
제가 한번 빼보겠습니다. 옆으로 제껴서 빼면 되죠?
이거를
예, 제가 한번.
요게 근데 지금 차가 뜨거워요.
아, 그래요?
이거를 이렇게
예.
일자로 만들어서 이 사이로 이제 된거 아니에요. 이거 봐요. 크랙들. 옛날 거. 이건 크랙이 없잖아요, 지금. 이게. 그래서 이렇게 되면 크랙이 안 보이는데, 그래서 이렇게 되면 이 풀리들을 다 돌려봐야 돼요. 소리가 이상한 소리 나나.
아,
그럼 풀리도 갈아야 돼요. 베링이 나가가지고 소리 안 나잖아요. 그 다음에 이거 이것도 소리 안 나고, 그 다음에 이거
그건 알터네이터.
이게 알터네이터.
네, 알터네이터.
소리 안 나고. 오케이, 다 좋아요. 네, 그거 들어가야 돼요. 그 안으로 깊숙이. 그 왼쪽 거, 네, 끝을 내려서 더 안으로 깊숙이.
예, 자세 잡힌 것 같아요. 예.
That's it. Okay, I got the belt in. Just trying to ensure that it's seated properly before I start the engine. The crankcase looks good. It's all the way inside. Be sure to avoid these knobs that are sticking out. Okay, here's your AC compressor, and that looks like it's in there pretty tight. Okay, that's the pulley. Looks like it's in the middle. That looks okay. It's another pulley it's going through. That looks like it's in the middle. And at the top is the alternator. So I think everything looks good. Okay, just started the car. Everything's running smooth. The belt is spinning straight. I think that's fun. 세네 바퀴 돌아야 오케이.